When it comes to property management, efficiency is key, and that's why we at Buck Outdoors have chosen to use CAT's $299 land management package. The $299's desired power and versatility makes it the ultimate machine for land clearing, able to take on any job in the harshest of environments. Under the cab is a great amount of power. In the cab is a great deal of comfort, and the exterior, it's tough. This machine is built to be precise and fast when it comes to land management work. Buck Outdoors has worked with CAT's competitors in the field as well. We've run yellow machines, white machines, and gray machines, but we keep going back to the CAT as our reliable tool in the field. And to boot, we love working with the shop here in Greenville. Blanchard has served us well, and we highly recommend them if for no other reason. Their service department is so great and responsive whenever we've called or had issues. Due to its compact design and engineered responsiveness to its controls, the CAT 299 is easy to maneuver in any situation, in any scenario. We know that the CAT 299 will go to work, and we can rely on it heavily. The cab of the CAT 299D is engineered for operator comfort with the air ride seats, the backup camera, and the heated seat. We know that when we go to work all day, every day in this machine, we're going to be in a workspace where we are comfortable and safe. Combined with comfort, reliability, pure power, and just overall good looks, the CAT 299D is the dream machine for forestry management and land management companies.